Your smile, upgraded. Say goodbye to painful whitening and hello to minty magic. What if you could whiten your teeth, repair enamel, and banish sensitivity, all without the harshness of traditional toothpastes? Meet Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, the next-gen oral care hero powered by nano-hydroxyapatite, NHA. Designed for adults and kids, this refreshed mint-flavored game-changer delivers dentist-recommended results without peroxide, fluoride, or sulfates. It's a total smile revolution. Pain-free, eco-conscious, and oh so effective. Whether you're tackling sensitivity or chasing that pearly-white glow, this toothpaste is here to transform your oral care routine with a touch of luxury. Forget peroxide and abrasive scrubs, Boka uses the gentle yet mighty power of nano-hydroxyapatite to remineralize and strengthen your teeth naturally. Its advanced formula actively repairs enamel, giving you a stronger, healthier smile over time. The result? Not just surface-level whitening, but a deeper restoration that's safe for sensitive teeth. Add in soothing ingredients like aloe vera and antioxidant-rich green tea, and you've got a toothpaste that's as kind to your gums as it is effective for your teeth. If you think fluoride-free toothpaste can't deliver big results, think again. Boka packs a punch with baking soda for stain removal and coconut oil for gentle brightening and gum hydration. Unlike conventional options that leave you wincing, this paste ensures every brush is pain-free and refreshing. It's clinically designed to cater to sensitive teeth, giving you the confidence to smile freely. Plus, it's free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial flavors, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking safe, biocompatible oral care. Why settle for an ordinary toothpaste when you can upgrade to dentist-approved brilliance? Boka toothpaste isn't just another tube on the shelf, it's a smart investment in your dental health. With consistent use, you'll notice reduced sensitivity, brighter teeth, and improved enamel strength. That means fewer dentist visits and long-term savings on oral care costs. Plus, its durable, tech-tested formula ensures each tube delivers premium results until the last squeeze. Tired of the same bland minty options? Boka's invigorating refresh mint flavor will awaken your senses and leave your mouth feeling clean, fresh, and oh so satisfied. Customers rave about its smooth texture, delightful taste, and transformative benefits. Whether you're whitening, strengthening, or just refreshing, this toothpaste makes every brushing session a treat. It's not just a product, it's your new daily ritual for a healthier, happier smile. Upgrade today and let Boka revolutionize your grin.